Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a Brutalism poster on Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website and after that just navigate your way here to the search option and then click here. After that just type Brutalism posters and then just search for it. And after that a variety of posters will open up here. Let's just say I'll go with this one. So after you search for your Brutalism poster and find your desired template, just open it up and after that you can edit anything you want in the poster here. So the first thing you can do is just select the text here and you can edit it by your wish. And you can also edit the images that has been used in the poster by default. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.